In this tutorial, we're going to go through the process of submitting your UCC Church Yearbook. We will walk through how to sign in if you are a previous yearbook reporter. We will show you how to sign up if this is your first time logging in as a yearbook reporter or if you need to add a second church to your account. We will show you how to navigate to your yearbook as well as enter in data and submit it. We will walk through the steps of how you can view your yearbook and make any changes. And lastly, we'll show you how you can review your church's record to make sure everything is accurate and updated. To log in, you will want to make sure you go to engage.saran.com/UCC. From here, if you previously signed in, you will simply enter your username and password and click Sign In. If you are unsure of what your username or password was, simply click Forgot Username or Password. This is where you'll first enter in your email address and click Reset Password. Any accounts associated with that email will be listed here below. Simply click on your name and you will receive a password reset email. You can simply click the Click Here button or you can copy and paste the password reset code. Then you can create your password and click Submit. From here, you can log in directly to your account. Now we're going to talk about how to sign up if this is your first time as a yearbook reporter or if you need to add a second church to your account. You will click the Sign Up Yearbook Reporter link. Here you'll be asked to enter in your email. And then you'll click the Check Email Address button. This helps to prevent duplicate records in our system, as our system will check to make sure you don't already have an account in the UCC Database and Directories platform. If you have previously been a reference or a church search committee member, you may already have an account. This step will help to link that account with the church you're reporting for. If an account exists, you'll see it listed here below, and you'll simply click on your account and follow the next steps. If no account exists, like you can see here, you'll click here for a new account. From here, you'll enter in the details about yourself and your church. Once you've entered in all of your details, you simply click Create Account. Next, you'll be asked to create a username. And then when satisfied, go ahead and click the Create Username button. You'll receive an email with steps to finish setting up your account. To create your password, simply click the Click Here link, or you can copy and paste this password code and paste it in the Reset Code box. Click Check Code, and then you'll be asked to create your password. Enter in your password, and then confirm it. When satisfied, go ahead and click Submit. You'll receive a message letting you know your password has been reset, and then you'll be able to log in. Now, the first time you log in, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Simply read through these terms and conditions and click the Agree and Continue button at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll be taken to the home page. This is where you'll see your church's tile with its name, its address, and a link to be able to go directly to the yearbook reporting pages, or a link to be able to view and edit your church, which will take you directly to your church record. For today's demonstration, we're going to click the yearbook link. Here you can see the yearbook form that you'll fill out in order to submit this year's yearbook. You can see last year's data in the middle column, and you'll be able to enter in this year's column in the far right. First, you're going to answer questions concerning your membership. You'll enter in the details about the additions, removal, and see those calculated here below. As you enter your additions and removals, you'll automatically see your total membership calculated for this year. If you feel like that number is off, feel free to use this adjustment box here. Next, enter in information about your baptisms and click Save and Continue. On the next page, you're going to answer questions concerning your attendance. You'll also enter in information about your youth programs, Christian education faith formation, and your average weekly attendances. Once finished, click Save and Continue. In the next section, you're going to answer questions concerning your finances. The next section is ministerial support. This section is where you can add the minister categories you would like to report for this year. You can see the different categories on the left. If you have more than one person in a single category, you can add another form for the second person. So first, let's go ahead and add a pastor, a minister of music, and let's add a youth pastor. If we had two people filling that youth pastor roles and we needed to add another youth pastor position, we can simply go down here to the bottom where it says Add, use the drop list and select Youth Minister, and then we'll see that second form option appear. Once satisfied with all of the ministerial categories, go ahead and click Continue. You can see what category you're on from this left sidebar, as well as see the category at the top here. Go ahead and enter in the details about each category. The last section to submit is over congregational engagement. Once completed, go ahead and click Save and Submit. After submitting your yearbook, you'll be taken directly to your church's record. From here, if you scroll to about the middle of the page, you'll see what we call our yearbook grid. In the grid, you can see previous yearbooks reports. You can collapse all the data. And then if you want to look at a specific section, you can click on those drop-down arrows so you can compare from year to year. You, of course, can click the Expand All to see all the different data. You can click the View the 11-year report, which you can also download as well. If you want to download a copy of your yearbook, simply click this down arrow here, and a PDF will be downloaded to your computer. Also, as your conference staff enters in the church's wider admissions numbers, you will also see those listed here below. If you notice that you need to make a change to your yearbook, you can make a change until the yearbook reporting is closed for that year. To make a change, you can either click the year link here, which will take you directly to the yearbook forms you were just on, or in the upper right-hand corner, you can click on those three dots and click that Continue Reporting button. You can go in and make the change that you need, and then save and quit, or of course, save and continue if you need to make several changes. And then you'll see that change reflected here below. While you're on your church's record, it's a great time to review the data just to make sure everything is updated and accurate. If you need to make a change, you can click the Edit button and update your website, address, contact information, and so forth. For any fields that are not editable, feel free to reach out to your conference staff and ask them to help you make any corrections or updates. Once satisfied that everything looks good, simply click that Save button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about your yearbook or church record, reach out to the UCC Database and Directories team at research@ucc.org.